Guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Python for Windows. First of all, you have to go to python.org. Then you click on downloads to download the latest version of Python. And if you're using Windows, then you click download Python 3.10. That will automatically download the latest version for Windows. But if you're using a different OS, you could click on Linux or Mac OS for whichever OS you're using. Once the download has completed, when you click on the executable, a window will pop up and it will show you what uh, options are available for Python. Some of the options include adding Python to the path, and which I recommend you doing since it can help you in the future when downloading modules and such. Once you're done with the setup, you just have to continue by clicking next on most things. You can test out if Python has been installed by just opening the command terminal and or opening the search bar and typing cmd, which should open the command terminal. And once the command terminal has been opened, you can just type out Python or Python -m or Python 3. It depends exactly on your device, but for me, it actually works on you just type Python.